Lesson 4. Ecological Fundamentals. To understand environmental science, we must grasp the ecological hierarchy. A population consists of members of the same species in a specific area. A community represents multiple interacting populations, while an ecosystem includes both that living community and its abiotic environment. Often, adjacent ecosystems mix in a transitional zone called an ecotone, which frequently features higher biological diversity than either core ecosystem. Globally, large-scale ecosystems are classified into terrestrial biomes based on temperature and precipitation. Expected biomes include the tundra, desert, temperate forest, tropical rainforest, and Mediterranean scrubland. Energy enters these systems primarily through photosynthesis, where carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen using light energy. As this energy moves through food chains, ecological efficiency is quite low. According to the 10% rule, only about 10% of energy transfers from one trophic level to the next, while the rest is lost mainly as heat. Unfortunately, toxic substances can also move through these food webs. The progressive buildup of a substance in a single organism over time is called bioaccumulation, while biomagnification is the stepwise increase in concentration at successive trophic levels. Toxic metals like zinc, lead, copper, mercury, and cadmium are specifically named as substances that bioaccumulate, entering the environment through human activities like mining and industry. Understanding these dynamics is essential for protecting the delicate balance of our global ecosystems.